friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have a Target haul. I just love Target. But before we do get started with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so that you never miss one of my uploads. And that's about it, my friends. Let's go ahead and get started with today's haul. I love Target. You all know how much I love Target. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm always at Target. I have my Instagram link down below for you if you want to follow me there. The first thing that I picked up was this Holy Hydration face cream. This is only $12. I love this face cream, and I did see that this one is actually fragrance free, as you can see right there. I have a lot of issues with my skin. I have rosacea, I have acne breakouts, I have dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It's the whole deal here, but I love this one because it just nourishes my skin, and I feel like it's a thicker consistency kind of cream. And let me show you what it looks like. So this is what the cream looks like right here, and then I will show you the inside. This is the cream. You see how this is like a thicker consistency cream right here. It is super good and nourishing on the skin, and for $12, like really, you cannot beat that. I have repurchased it so many times. Most of the time my skin is super oily, but like I have like dry patches around my nose. This like definitely helps me out, so I love this cream so much. So I thought I would pick up a new one because I ran out of the one I had on my vanity. So this is the first item that I purchased, a repurchase for me. Next up, another item that I went ahead and repurchased was this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this is also $12. I had a little sample of this one. I had not seen this at Target till this week when I went. And it comes with this little kind of like a little scooper right here, and then this is the makeup balm remover. So this is super amazing. You just scoop a little bit out, and it's basically like a balm. You see that? You scoop a little bit out and you put it on your fingertips and you melt it into your skin, and it just takes everything out, all the little gunk, all the makeup bits and all the mascara, all of that. It's super good. I love it. I usually have it on my shower, and like if I have makeup on, I do that, and then I double cleanse and all the good deal. I absolutely love this melting balm, and I am so happy they actually brought it in store, because for a while there it was only online. I'm very excited to have this in my collection now. I'm definitely gonna get a really good use out of this one. Sticking with e.l.f., I went ahead and picked this up. This is the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. This was only $3, guys, and I heard great things about it. So this is just a lightweight tinted powder that sets your makeup for a smooth, shine-free complexion. So I'm super excited to try this out. I'm definitely gonna put this to the test on one of my trying new makeup products out, so keep an eye out for that one, but this is a new one in my collection. Another new item from e.l.f. is this really cute No Budge shadow stick. This is what it looks like right here. I got mine in the color rose gold. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. This is what the No Budge shadow stick looks like, and this is the color. I'm going to put it right here. Ooh, that's such a pretty color right there. So pretty. Definitely perfect for this time of year. Imagine just putting this on your lids, some mascara and your lip gloss, and you're ready to go. So I'm super excited about this one. If I really enjoy it, I will definitely pick up other colors, but for now I went ahead and picked up the rose gold one. I believe this was around $5 or $6. I will leave everything linked down below in the description bar, but I really love that color. It's so pretty. Now you all know how much I love my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer, which is like the matte one, and you all know I love the hydrating one as well. I usually mix both of these, so I just went ahead and picked up some shades that I was lacking in my collection. I got tan neutral right here on the matte one, and I got medium beige on the hydrating one. These colors are much needed in my collection, so I went ahead and picked these up. Sticking with concealers, I saw this. This is by the brand Wet n Wild, and it's a Mega Last Incognito Concealer. I picked mine up in the shade Medium Honey. I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but I am excited to try it out on one of my videos trying out drugstore makeup. So I went ahead and picked this one up because I have not had it in my collection. Another thing that I picked up from Wet n Wild was this beautiful lipstick. Look how gorgeous the little lips are right there. And this is the color Wine Room. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. It looked way different there in store, but you know how everything looks different in store. Ooh, that's kind of like a mauve color, a mauve shade right there. That's pretty. I thought it was more of like a peachy shade because that's what it looked like in store, but definitely I was wrong. And obviously I didn't read the name, Wine Room. So it's a wine kind of color, much deeper than how it looked in store. I was expecting a different color, but that was my fault. But I just love the little packaging, and this was like $2, $1.99. So I'm excited about this one. Another thing that I picked up was this Pout Bomb lip gloss from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup, and it looks like this. I'm actually wearing this right now, not as intense as it actually is, because if I swatch it right here, it's definitely like a deep red, but I just added a little bit in the center and blended it out, and it looks really cute, just like a cherry lip gloss. I'm excited about trying out more colors because there was like nude and mauve pinks in there in the collection. I just wanted to try something different and get that little plumping gloss feeling effect. So I'm super excited about it, and I am excited to try out other different shades. I also went ahead and picked up this neon eyeliner in the color Screaming, and it is just a neon yellow eyeliner. I have been doing like different looks for summer here on my channel, so I'm definitely gonna be incorporating a yellow look very soon. So this is one that I actually needed because I don't have a yellow eyeliner. This is by LA Girl, and I believe this is about $3. I'm not sure on the price, but I will leave everything down below if you want to check it out. This is what it looks like, and it's just basically a neon yellow eyeliner. And last but not least, for the makeup, I went ahead and picked up a Milani blush in the color Luminoso. I have seen so many people rave about this color, Luminoso, and it is just a really pretty peachy shade, and I think it's perfect for this time of the year and basically anytime. So this actually states that it's the new kind of packaging, and I'll show you. I have this super old Milani blush. This is what they look like before, and this is in the color Coralina. This has just been in my collection for a while. It's like a bright orange color, but now they look like this. So a little bit different there. Okay. And it's just this very pretty peachy shade. Look at how gorgeous that is. I can't wait to try it out in one of my future videos. Everybody has raved about this blush for so long. I just never actually picked it up for myself, but I'm excited about it and I'm happy to have it in my collection. All right, so those were all the beauty products that I picked up, but now let's go on into some other items that I have in here. The first thing that I see here are these really cute hoop earrings. Look at how gorgeous they are. They're kind of like 3-in-1, and these are by the brand A New Day. They were $7.99, and I had been looking for these type of earrings for a while now, so I was super excited to find them. So it's just basically one hoop earring that looks like you have 3 on, and they were $7.99. I'm super excited about these. Very happy to have them in my collection. Next up, I picked up a clothing item. This was on clearance, and this is by the plus size line Ava and Viv, and it's basically just like a tie-dye oversized sweatshirt. So it is super pretty. It just has a different colors, like that light pink, the purple, the orangey. Is just so cute. I love this sweatshirt, and it was on clearance for $9, so I had to pick it up for myself. If I can find it or find something similar to it, I will link it down below, but I'm just super excited about it. I love just wearing cozy little sweaters to film and to just inspire me to create new looks, so I'm very happy that I found this one. And last but not least, I did go ahead and pick up some treats for my babies, my pups that I have in here, so I wanted to share them with you all. And I picked up this bag. They absolutely love this one so much. So this is the trail mix with real beef and sweet potato. So it has these 3 different kind of trail mix inside. I just love this, and this is by the brand Milk and Bone, so they really enjoy this one. And I always that I head to Target, I pick that up for them, and they know, because when I leave the bags inside, they're like, they can smell that I brought them their snacks. So I pick that one up for them all the time. And then one of my pups is very picky. She's my oldest pup, and she loves these, the Pupperoni training treats. They're made with real beef, they're bite-sized rewards, and they're perfect for small dogs. And she's a very small dog, but she loves these. So I just pick these up for her, and kind of like whenever they're having their snack, she's having hers as well. They're just super good according to them, because when I open them and I take a whiff out of them, I do not see anything appetizing about these, but they absolutely love them so much. So I always go ahead and pick up these to have them on stock whenever they're doing good, or just to give them a little snack here and there throughout the week. So I thought I would mention these to you all. And that's about it, my friends. That's everything that I picked up recently at Target. I'm so excited about all these products. You know, what was your favorite item, or something that I should maybe go looking for at Target? You never know, I might need another trip over there. But as always, thank you so much for being here and for watching. I love you all. I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.